Pocket Office allows you to have complete control of your calendar. Some people get a little bit scared about offering online scheduling and allowing their clients to be able to book appointments with them, but I'm going to show you right now how you can lock down the rules inside your calendar so you don't have any nasty surprises with clients booking you at times that you don't really want them. So come over here to the left-hand menu and we'll just go into the Settings tab. We just go across here to the online booking options, click on that, which will bring us through the screen here. So this shows us all of the options and all of the rules that you can put into your calendar. Now, of course, if you don't want to allow your clients to book online with you, there's a button right here, front and center, so you can either click that on or off. But me personally, I would love my clients to be able to book online with me, and I'm going to handle all those rules as we say, just below us on the page. So I'm going to leave that one clicked. So here we're going to look at how we want to accept appointments. I've clicked on automatically because I'm happy that I can handle all the rules inside this module right here. So you can click here and have a look at how far in advance that clients can book with you. Me personally, I like to be able to have a little bit of a heads up for when they're going to book with me, so I'm going to put down there 24 hours. But there's options all the way up to just a couple minutes in advance. But for me, 24 hours is good. Excellent. So what you can do is you can actually limit how far in advance people can book up your calendar. So you can go all the way up to a year in advance, but me, I like about 6 months because I like to plan, but not too much. And here we come to the booking policies section. So what you can do is you can allow your clients to reschedule appointments, and you handle that in this part of the window, and you can choose how far in advance you allow them to be able to reschedule. So for me, again, a heads up, about 12 hours or so, I'm pretty happy with that. It allows me time to book that appointment up with somebody else. So if you want to, you can allow clients to cancel appointments or not. Me, I'm not going to let my clients get out of it that easily. I'm going to make them call me up to cancel those appointments. And what you can do here, you can add your own terms of services in if you like to, and display options. So you can display all of your services if you've got multiple services, or just one or two different clients. So simple as that. Once you've set all those, Pocket Office Calendar will function exactly the way you want it to, and clients will only be able to book you in the times that suit you the most.